Hi, welcome back to yet another wig review. That's what I should just call this series. Yet another wig review. But I'm very excited to do this one because it's brown hair. I never wear brown hair. I'm usually always blonde or neon or something fun and cool. But I was like, you know what? What would be so different and natural? I've got a quick kind of natural, but not quite drag, just simple makeup look on. There's a separate video for that. I'm currently using this pizza palette. Do you remember these guys? I still didn't figure out how to pronounce their name, if it was Donna Love or Dona Love, so I'm gonna say Dona Love. If you remember the last time I reviewed one of their wigs, it didn't exactly go well. Kind of sucks. If I'm gonna be real and honest, I don't understand how they are charging lace front wig prices for a hard front wig. Can't really change the parting that much either. Look how shiny this is, good god. Look how flat it is on my head. And I'm pretty. I can pull off a flat wig most of the time, but this just looks flat. It just could have been better for the price. $88. I like to keep it real, and this is not worth your money, but I would not even pay half this price for this wig. It's just not worth it. Don't make the same mistake I did and get a hard front wig. Go to their website and buy yourself a lace front wig with the money, and I'm sure you'll be happy. So honestly, I think it's a really impressive move of them to keep in touch and want to send me another wig. This could be like some sort of redemption thing. So this time I made sure to actually get a lace front. Okay, my microphone just suddenly stopped recording, so I don't know how much audio we lost, but okay. Dona Love hair. Let's open it up. I like the box. It's that nice kind of turquoise colour. It reminds me of Tiffany's. I don't know if that's what they were going for. That's what it reminds me of. So, here it is. I got another one of these brushes. I have a lot of these. These kind of brushes, Dona Love hair on it, actually work really well for wigs. For detangling them, brushing them in general. Don't know why, there's just something about them that just works really well. So, here's the wig, and here is a little thing, handwritten, so exclusive to me. Let's say SM025. All the details of this wig will be in the description of the video though. Colour, the same as picture. Very useful. And it's 24 inches. They also gave me a wig cap. I have 2 wig caps in here. And I'm never going to say no to a wig cap, am I? I prefer the nets than the straight up kind of skull caps. We got one, so let's just put it on. No, I don't want to remove all of my makeup. It's fine, I've got a big forehead, so we're probably going to cover most of it anyway. Oh jeez, it has come off. Look at that. I've just got a big red patch now where... Oh, that's annoying. And here it is. It's such a natural brown colour, so it comes in a hairnet. It's very nice. There she is. This is impressive. Do I need to zoom out? Oof. It's so... just normal looking. Okay, so let's go straight into looking at it. This is a decently sized cap. This is a nice big cap. This should fit my head lovely. And the usual, they put a lot of hair in here. I see lots of tracks, but the hairline, it's full lace front and it looks really natural. Frontal with about 2 inches of lace all around the front, so all of that is partable, but naturally it comes in a style where it's kind of pushed back, which I appreciate. So I'm going to quickly try it on, see how it looks, then take it off, and then cut the lace off. Yeah, it fits so nicely, I don't have to struggle with it. Ooh, it does look crazy right now, but I am very not used to seeing myself in brown hair. And it's a really decent length, isn't it? It's cute. Right, so I'm gonna cut this lace off, and I like to cut it off pretty close to the hair actually. Everyone does about 1/4 of an inch. I maybe do that, yeah, like a centimetre. Something about wigs in recent years I've noticed is lace is getting softer. When I first started wearing lace once, the lace was really hard and almost would hurt and be really like crispy. But wigs these days, I don't know, lace is just getting softer and softer, and also more and more just undetectable. And this lace, I don't know if you saw then, obviously it was covering my eyebrows, so it made my eyebrows look nicer, but on my skin it really blended in. I always like to donate the lace to my mum so she can make something out of it. Maybe like one day like a full lace wig out of all of this lace. All of that is what's come off. So in terms of combs of grip, there is one on each side and one at the back, not at the front. So this is one of the wigs that has the side and the back. So put it on front first, hold the front first, throw it back, put it on the back, right? And I've got my hair all in a little pony here, so it might actually give me a bit more depth at the back. Right. So I have a big head, and then all of my hair is in a ponytail at the back, and yet this still fits comfortably. Now obviously I'm naturally a blonde. I'm very fair skinned and I'm blonde, so I have, you know, blonde eyebrows and blonde eyelashes. I try to be conscious of the fact that I would be wearing brown hair today, so I tried to make my eyebrows a bit darker, but I might need to go back in and I might need to put some mascara on so I don't look weird. Now you could use like a wig glue, like spirit gum or anything, and that would really help kind of glue this down. I'm not going to glue it down right now because I just don't want to. This just looks like hair. Oh, there's so much hair on this wig as well. I don't know if you can see just how big it is on me. This is before it's even been styled. Just look how shiny and healthy this looks. This looks like healthy human hair. This is synthetic. You know what? I always wish I was in drag now because there's something very like, you know, like Lana Del Rey or something about this hair. It's just so like glamorous. The shine on it, I'm obsessed. This is so cool. Oh, I just look like I've got brown hair now. This looks so real. Okay, so now that I've got darker hair on it, definitely think the eyes look like they need lightning, so I'm going to put some mascara on. Okay, I definitely think the mascara's helped kind of seal the deal. I wish I was wearing something prettier now, but I don't want to get changed. Wow! What do you think then? Are you impressed by this hair? Look, just... I could go out in this and... because I've been blonde all my life. And, you know, when you're buying a wig, you want, like, interesting colours. So I thought, I'll get blonde, pink, green, yellow, blue, every single colour. I've never been, like, brown. It's so weird seeing myself in, like, brown hair because, you know, everyone has brown hair. So I think I definitely will say that Donor Love Hair, you know, they did redeem themselves. I knew they were a good company and that they did have good wigs, but it just, you know, after that one, I was like, But this is fine. This is amazing. So let me get up the email, see if I have any information to give you. It's a 138 medium reddish brown waist length straight synthetic lace wig. Well, it's not reddish brown. It's the colour that it was in the picture that I wanted, that I asked for. I wouldn't say it's reddish brown. Waist length, sure. But the more important part, coupons and discounts. So if you go over to Donor Love Hair's website, which is just DONALOVEHAIR, in the description on the screen, use the code AVA, that's simply AVA, just my name, AVA, 25% off. 25% off and you can get a wig just like this. And I would highly recommend it because just look at this. Oh, I'm so happy. What do you think then? Let me know what you think of not only this wig, but also my makeup look and the video in general. Like the video if you liked it. If you don't like it, don't like it. It's important that you're honest. If you enjoyed me, please check out all of my other videos. My YouTube channel has so many videos. I have wig reviews, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, Drag 101, fashion films, short films. What else do I do? Oh, I don't know, I do a lot. But you can keep up with me there, and also keep up with me on social media. That would be a huge help if you could check me out on Instagram, just Ava Cassandra, and Facebook, Ava Cassandra. Then you can keep up with everything I'm doing outside of YouTube, because I do a lot. I'm always posting looks. YouTube doesn't get it all. But also, if you are new to me and my channel, please consider subscribing, and then you'll get to see more of me, and you know, we can get a kind of bond, because I like seeing what you guys think and what you have to say. I read every single comment. I try to reply to everything. I'm very in touch with, like, you know, the social media. I'll see you all in my next video. Remember, check them out. Code AVA, 25% off. Like a quarter off. That's really nice, actually. That's a really good code. Normally they don't make them that good. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. Bye!